Hey everyone, winter is here and so are those pesky germs. Let's chat about what illnesses are going around this season and how we can stay healthy. First, let's talk about RSV. That stands for respiratory syncytial virus. It's a very common virus and it mostly affects babies and older adults. Some signs you might have RSV are a cough, wheezing and a fever. For babies it can be pretty serious, making it hard to breathe and eat. The good news is there's a vaccine for pregnant women and seniors to help protect those little ones. Next, we have the flu. It's much worse than a regular cold, with a fever, body aches, and sometimes serious breathing problems. Getting a flu shot is super important, especially for kids and older folks. Last year's flu shot worked really well and kept lots of people out of the hospital, and of course COVID-19 is still around. While it's not as serious as it used to be, it can still make people sick, especially those who are already vulnerable. The symptoms are more like a cold now, but you might still get a fever and body aches. Vaccines are available for people over 65 and others who are at higher risk. Let's not forget about norovirus, sometimes called the stomach flu. It comes on quickly and makes you feel really awful, with nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. It usually goes away in a few days, but it's important to stay home for at least 2 days after you feel better so you don't spread it to others. Then there's the common cold, which is usually caused by a virus called rhinovirus. It starts with a runny nose, a sore throat, and sneezing. It's annoying, but it usually isn't too serious. Other viruses like adenovirus, parainfluenza, and human metapneumovirus are also going around. They cause cold-like symptoms, but they can be more serious for babies and older adults. Stay informed and stay healthy, everyone. You can check out the UKHSA's weekly reports for the latest updates. I'll see you next time.